Smart meters are becoming increasingly popular, but there's lots of myths and misconceptions surrounding smart meters that are preventing people from embracing this new technology. In this video, we'll debunk some of the most common myths about smart meters. Before we start, let's talk about what a smart meter is and what it actually looks like. A lot of people get confused between their smart meters and their in-home displays. This is a smart meter. Once you have it installed, it will go where your old meter previously was. So that could be under your stairs or outside of your home, for example. The smart meter will automatically send us your gas and electricity readings, so you don't have to. And that will mean that you'll get accurate bills. This is an in-home display. It's not a smart meter. It's simply a small digital display that will show you in real time your energy usage and your costs. Now that we've got that cleared up, let's debunk some myths. Smart meters don't use Wi-Fi to send your data. Every smart meter has its own SIM card. It will send your meter readings remotely through a safe and secure data network. Because of this, smart meters shouldn't cause any issues or delays with your Wi-Fi connection. We understand installing new technology in your home can sometimes be a bit daunting, but your smart meter isn't a spy. Smart meters can't hear anything or see anything. The only information that a smart meter will collect is how much energy you're using. The data we receive from your smart meter will be used to provide you with an accurate bill. We won't give your data to anyone else without your consent. Your personal details such as your name, address and bank account details aren't stored or transmitted by your smart meter. Smart meters have been extensively tested for your safety. They passed all the UK and EU regulations that make sure a product is safe. These are the same regulations that your TV, your microwave and your mobile phone will have had to have passed too. So essentially, your smart meter is just as safe as your mobile phone. This isn't true. You can still get a smart meter if you're renting. Just make sure you get your landlord's permission before installing one. There are many benefits to installing a smart meter, from taking control of your energy bills to the environmental benefits. One of the biggest selling points of a smart meter is that they do the hard work for you. If you want to learn more about smart meters, head over to the smart meter section on the EDF website. Thanks for watching.